This isn't your ordinary ground beef and potatoes. But what makes it unique and so easy to make? Let's find out. So I'm using the same ground beef mixture from my sheet pan doner recipe with a few minor adjustments. Cut the Yukon potatoes into small, even pieces. They are cooked just 8 to 11 minutes. Shape the beef mixture into 8 small oval patties. Brown both sides by pressing lightly about 5 to 8 seconds, then transfer them to a plate. Scrape up every brown bit from the bottom of the pan. That's your flavor base for your gravy. Add the potatoes and cook for about 5 minutes. Don't cook them all the way. Pour in the broth, cover and simmer until the potatoes are tender. Once potatoes are close to be done, lower the heat and stir in the tomato paste. Check the potatoes for doneness. If they are soft and tender, mash some of them right in the pan. That's what thickens your gravy. Now adding cherry tomatoes for 1 to 2 minutes. Then return the beef back to the skillet and finish with lemon juice. And simmer it for a few minutes until beef is up to the right temp. And then garnish it with fresh chopped parsley. And enjoy. 30 minutes unheard of, but there it is. Tender juicy beef, soft seasoned potatoes, sweet cherry tomatoes, and a rich potato gravy without flour or cornstarch. If this recipe gave you a new dinner idea, please hit like. It really helps the channel. And if you're new here, please subscribe for a new one skillet recipe every week. And watch one of the videos on the screen next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Take care.